Ayan, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon ay Mastering Microsoft Word Personal Profile Formatting Challenge. Pindutin lang natin yung file, then ilagay natin ang ating full name. Ayan. Then, click the Ctrl A to select all. And Ctrl B to bold. And Ctrl U to underline. And Ctrl E para gumitna siya. Then sunod naman natin ang short self-introduction. Dito sa baba ng ating pangalan. Ayan. Magsi-self-introduction lang po tayo dito. Ang ilalagay natin ay, Hi, my name is Glenford ay Sabado. Yan. Then Control plus Shift plus F to change the fonts. Body bold, then Control T to make it italic. Ayan. Ang susunod naman natin gawin ay ilalagay lang natin ang ating passion. So, my passion is music and cooking. In my free time. Ayan. And I love playing volleyball. Ayan. I have a passion for music and cooking in my free time. And I love playing volleyball. Ayan. Then Control plus Shift plus F naman to change the size. Then click natin yung tab para gumitna ng konti. Ayan. At maglalagay rin tayo ng kaunting greetings here. I'm very exciting to be here. And I hope all of you are good. Ayan. Ayan. Control plus Shift plus F ulit para to change the size. Then click natin ulit yung tab para gumitna ng konti. Then maglalagay tayo ng hobbies or skills. So, my hobbies is reading Wattpad. And also, I love watching K-drama and BL series Cutie. Ayan. Maglalagay lang tayo ng hobbies and even skills or anything you want. Ayan. Then select this tree. Then click the Ctrl R to align text. Ayan. To align text, right, para maging maayos. Next is my own image. Yan. Wrap text in line with text. Ayan. And that's all. At ito yung mga control na dapat gawin. Control A to select all, Control B to bold, Control U to underline, Control E para gumit na yung text, Control plus Shift plus T to make it italic, Control R para mapunta sa gilid at umayos, Control X to cut. Ayan. Ayun lamang po at maraming salamat.